What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the StockGo YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the SoFi stock, but in this video, it's going to be a little bit different, okay? We're going to have a little bit of fun and we're going to get into some speculation, some amazing opportunities that I think could be happening for SoFi very soon. We're going to be talking about the Super Bowl and SoFi's Super Bowl marketing objectives of what kind of, user downloads that they could really reach on that massive stage. And we're also going to be looking at price projections for 2022 based off these 2021 analyst price targets we're getting right now. How high could we really go next year if everything goes smooth? Bank charter approval, options, Super Bowl massive marketing. We're going to have fun in this video. And if you're new to the channel, if you search SoFi stock at the top of YouTube right now, StockGo is #2 in the world covering the SoFi stock right now behind CNBC. Be sure to smash the like button. Let's try to get this video past 800 likes and be sure to drop a comment, okay? Are you invested in SoFi right now? What are your bullish price targets? When do you think they're going to get options? When do you think they're going to get the bank charter? Be sure to drop a comment and I'm going to be answering any questions you guys have. And be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's try to push for 6,000 by the end of the month. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, a really weird day in the market. You know, some indexes were green, some were red. S&P barely green, Dow barely green, NASDAQ red, and the Russell red. But SoFi finished up 2.9%. Once again, guys, no news at all. No news coming from SoFi. We just have massive catalysts heading up, and it just looks like people do not want to miss those catalysts like the bank charter. We just broke market cap of 14 billion, pretty solid, still trading around 14 times sales. Volume was average, guys. Look, slightly over 22 million to 21 million. No news once again. I believe this company has massive upside once the bank charter approval goes through, guys, and that is getting close. And as you can see, guys, I have a massive position in my Robinhood account. I also have a massive position in my TD Ameritrade account. We have around 4,000 shares, guys, a 70,000 market value. So I am heavily invested in the SoFi stock, guys, heavily bullish, guys, but I have a long-term mindset on this company. Yes, I see massive upside in the short term. I'm going to continue to stick to my price target of $45 within the next 12 months, but I think this can go a lot higher in the next 3 to 4 to 5 years, guys. You have to be patient and let the company, CEO, and management make its magic happen. Looking at that 1 year chart, guys, it looks solid, okay? I think we finally broke out from the bottom. I believe the hedge funds have been loading the past couple of months on these massive sell-offs, but we have massive upside potential from these price ranges according to multiple analysts. We have 5 analysts covering this stock right now, 40% upside even on the reversal, massive upside, and that is including a bearish price target of $16. If we remove that price target, upside is more like 55% plus, around $27 price target, but we'll just keep it at 24 for now. Let that bearish analyst, keep his price target because he will become bullish soon enough. I believe 3 of these analysts are not even including the bank charter inside of their price targets. It might be more. I have to read all the summaries from each analyst, but I know for sure 3 of them are not including bank charter approval at all. We could see massive upside into the $35 range once the bank charter approval goes through. So guys, I don't believe people understand how big the Super Bowl for SoFi is really going to be. On top of them being an accelerating growth fintech company in a, massive $2 trillion banking, space up for grabs, they are hosting the Super Bowl, guys. This is massive upside potential for a growth stock. And you're going to be blown away when we see the type of numbers that they can pull in 3 hours on this Super Bowl game. So here's just a little bit of research I did for you guys, okay? I typed in CNBC's average viewers just so you guys can get an understanding of how big this is really going to be, in February when the Super Bowl happens. Jim Cramer, Mad Money Cramer, has about 380,000 nightly viewers. 380,000. And we know Jim Cramer can move stocks, when he, tells people to sell. He can move stocks around 3 to 4%. It's just with 380,000 viewers. The Emmy viewership just came in. It hit 7.4 million viewers, the night it happened. This was just a couple of days ago, I believe 4 to 5 days ago. So that's a massive amount of people, 7 million, almost 20 times larger than Jim Cramer's crowd. I searched the NBA Finals, guys. They did around 10 million viewers, guys, okay? So even bigger than the Emmys. I'm sure every single person has heard, the halftime, commercials at the Super Bowl are the most valuable marketing tool in existence because the most viewers are possibly watching a station at once, okay? And the numbers are absolutely insane, okay? If we look at the Super Bowl ratings, the past 4 years, they hit 111 million, 103 million, 98 million, 100 million, and 91 million. So, guys, there's an average of around 100 million viewers, the past 4 to 5 years. And it's gone even higher back in the past. So, right around an estimated 100 million viewers, guys. That is massive eyes, guys, okay? Massive eyes. These Super Bowl commercials are expensive. As you can see, they just keep going up in cost every year. 2020, 30 seconds was valued around $5.6 million in 2020. This is crazy. And guys, you already know SoFi is going to be pushing hard on Super Bowl, okay? Even on top of the halftime, commercials, they're going to be doing commercials throughout the entire game. We could potentially see 3 to 4 commercials. I'm sure they're going to come out heavy in the bag. They're probably going to drop 20, 30, 40 million dollars in advertisement on Super Bowl night. 100 million viewers watching, guys. This is absolutely insane. And that's not even talking about the 70,000 plus people entering the stadium. So I really wanted to get an understanding of, conversions on commercials and see what kind of conversion rates these companies are really doing. It says a good conversion rate is above 10%, okay? And that's freaking massive in my opinion. I don't see that happening on Super Bowl night. So I did a deeper dive and looked at more and more different articles. So I came across this company called WordStream, online advertising made easy. And this gave me a better understanding of what kind of conversion rate we could see on Super Bowl night. As you can see, the average conversion rate is around 2%. The top 25% in the world are doing right around 5%. That's freaking awesome. If you're converting 5 customers out of every 100, that's absolutely stellar. And the top 10% in the world, the Amazons, the Googles, the Facebooks, those are the unicorns. Those are doing around 11% plus conversion rate. So what I did for you guys is I did something very reasonable. I gave SoFi the average conversion rate, guys, of 2%. A 2% conversion rate on the biggest marketing tool in the world every single year, guys, the Super Bowl. 100 million viewers. The numbers are insane if they can convert. We already know they're going to be pushing hard, but I'm telling you, what SoFi has over all of the other companies and commercials that are playing is they're going to have a psychology tool with them, guys. And what the psychology tool is, on top of seeing a commercial with SoFi multiple times, you have the stadium being played at the SoFi Stadium. You're going to hear the analysts, you're going to hear the commentators, continuously talk about the stadium of SoFi, the brand new stadium just built, $6 billion. This is a double whammy in psychology. And I also looked at another website just to confirm, that 2% conversion rate was reasonable. As we can see, uplandsoftware.com, did a conversion rate on the apps. Most apps have a 1% to 2% average conversion rate. So hitting anything above 2% should be considered a strong conversion rate. And I believe that SoFi has some of the best marketing in the world since Anthony Noto took over. And I believe they can really hit that 2% conversion rate on Super Bowl. Understand that they put out their investor presentation when they went public, and it has not been adjusted at all. I believe that they are going to smash their 2022 numbers after the bank charter approval goes through leading up to the Super Bowl, guys. I believe the revenue is going to accelerate much faster than they projected. And you got to think, when they put these numbers out, they don't want to put numbers out that they're not going to achieve. They want to put out numbers that they can smash. And I believe they're going to smash through this 1.5 billion in revenue projection for 2022. I believe that this revenue is going to be as high as $2 billion for the year. Much higher growth than they expected. And I believe the Super Bowl is going to be a massive factor to user growth signups, to getting that revenue to absolutely explode in 2022 with their massive cross buying. So I'm going to give them, $2 billion. That's my speculation revenue if everything goes right for SoFi. And we know right now, without a bank charter, that the analysts recommend a $24 price target. That is a 19x multiple on the stock right now. So if we just take their same exact projections for 2021 and just put them into 2022, all we have to do is imply that same 19x multiple on the 2 billion revenue projection, guys. And that's going to give us a price target of $48, a 38 billion market cap. And understand that that price to sales multiple is not factoring in a bank charter according to 3 of the analysts. It could be 4, I have to double check, but majority of them are not factoring in the bank charter. So guys, so we can see price ranges over $45 next year if everything goes right once again. So basically, this is my summary of how I came up with these numbers, guys. CNBC Mad Money does about 380,000 viewers. All the time I see in the chat forums, oh, look, you know, SoFi commercial is playing on CNBC, guys. Those commercials are getting around 300,000 viewers, guys. The Emmys, 7 million. NBA Finals, 10 million. Super Bowl, 100 million viewers. To understand how big this really is, the NFL Super Bowl is 250 times more powerful than Jim Cramer's show, guys. 250 times more powerful. So when you see Jim Cramer, you know, move a stock 4%, that's off of 400,000 viewers. Imagine what type of signups we could get off 100 million viewers with SoFi being the host of the Super Bowl stadium, guys. It does not get better than that. On a 2% conversion rate, that's 2 out of every 100 people download the SoFi app. Repeat, 2 out of every 100. That's 2 million downloads on 100 million viewers. 2% conversion rate, guys. 2 million users added to the platform in 3 hours. This is a speculation, guys. We're going to see the numbers are going to come out, you know, once Q2 2022 happens. I believe they're going to see a massive acceleration around Super Bowl time. We're going to see, but guys, that implies a 2% conversion rate. 2021 analyst price target of $24 on $1 billion in revenue, price to sales of 19x. That's a 19 billion market cap we're headed for this year. 2022 price target projection of $48 on $2 billion in revenue because of the Super Bowl marketing. Price to sales of 19x, the exact same that the analysts wanted at right now. 38 billion market cap. Like I said, guys, if you've been buying around the $15 range, this company is going to pull a triple in the next 12 months in 2022. We could go a lot higher if analysts price in that bank charter approval that nobody knows exactly when it's going to happen. So this is the one video I wanted to have a little bit of fun with you guys, but the numbers speak for themselves, guys. I believe this is SoFi's massive marketing tool that they're going to launch all of their marketing dollars at, guys. I'm talking 20, 30, 40 million dollars is going into marketing on Super Bowl day. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I had a lot of fun making this one, just trying to switch it up. We go through the numbers so much. We always go through the technology, the products. I just wanted to have a little bit of fun in this video. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button. Let's try to get this video over 800 likes. And don't forget to drop me a comment. I will answer any questions you have. I promise you, I'm going to answer every single comment in the comment section, guys. Once again, my name's Kyle. I hope you have a great day.